students, how are you all? Today we will discuss about male reproductive system. What we will discuss about? Male reproductive system. As you have been already known about that, and I have been already said you also that what is the meaning of reproductive system. Reproductive system, what is the meaning of reproduction? Okay, you know first of all what is the meaning of reproduction, and then after that you will get to know about that reproductive system. For reproduction there is one system required. That system is called reproductive system. In human beings there are two types of reproductive systems: male reproductive system, female reproductive system. Today we will discuss about male reproductive system. Okay, male reproductive system. Just like in our body, different types of systems are there present. Digestive system is present, excretory system is present, transportive system is present, cardiovascular system is present, nervous system is present. Different types of systems are present. Similarly, reproductive system is also present. Understood or not? And in reproductive system, in male, understood or not? Female reproductive system is different than male. In male reproductive system, first of all I will say you some important parts. Okay, in male reproductive system, the primary sex organ. First of all you have to remember about primary sex organ. Primary sex organ. Primary sex organ means which is the main sex organ in male reproductive system. There is one important main sex organ. Okay, that main sex organ is what? Main sex organ is testis. Testes. Testis is primary sex organ. Understood or not? Testis is this type of. We will draw the picture here. Okay, testis. One pair of testis present in male reproductive system. That testis function is what? The duty of testis is what? The function of testis to produce what? Male gamete. Male gamete. Gamete. Testis main function is that to produce your male gamete. Yes or no? So many male gametes are produced, but the production of male gamete is due to this primary sex organ, and that sex organ is testis. Other than this, testis does have also another kind of function, that is that, what is that one? That is to produce male sex hormone. Male sex hormone. Male sex hormone. Understood or not? Point 1. Point 2. Male gametes are produced from testis, and male sex hormones also produced from testis. Understood or not? Other than this, some secondary sexual, what? Secondary sex organs are there present. I am saying you. Point 1 is epididymis. Point 1 is epididymis. Yes or no? Then some glands are there. These are one structure. Epididymis is present. We will discuss about that. Only names you listen first. Testis is the primary sex organ. Other than testis, some structures and some glands are associated with this reproductive system, where epididymis is present. Other than epididymis also, here some glands present. Okay, some glands are present. Just like that, one gland's name is seminal vesicle. This is one gland. Another gland is prostate gland. Prostate. Prostate glands. Seminal vesicles, prostate glands. Understood or not? Another kind of gland is Cowper's gland. Cowpers. Cowper's gland. Understood or not? These are the associative structures. Okay, other than what? Testis. Understood or not? Then other than this, then some ducts present. Secondary sexual, primary sexual, secondary sexual, then some ducts present. Duct means some pipes present. Okay, these are the glands. These three are glands. Okay, the function and what are the main functions of these glands, what is the main function of epididymis, testis, everything I will say you. Then other than this, some dogs present. The dog's name is vas deferens. Vas deferens. Understood or not? Then other than vas deferens, then your present your what? Penis is present. Okay. Then your that penis is also, you can say that your urinogenital tract. This is one organ is present there. It means this is the part of the system. Urinogenital tract is present. The name why urinogenital tract, everything we will discuss here. Okay, so these are the different parts are there present. Okay, this is the different kinds of parts present. Understood or not? Here I would like to say you one thing, that is your what? Where is the location of male reproductive system? Male reproductive system is present just outside the abdominal cavity. Outside the abdominal cavity, male reproductive system is present in the pelvic region. Understood or not? In the pelvic region. Pelvic region means what? Pelvic region means just below the stomach and just upper portion of your thigh. That portion is the pelvic region. Understood or not? That is the male reproductive system. This system is present. Okay, whatever right now I am just doing the diagram, that is known as the scrotum. And here testis. Testis is the oval shaped structure. Testis is the oval shaped structure which is present inside one pouch. Okay, inside one pouch, that is known as the scrotal sac. This pouch name is scrotal sac. This is made up of skin and thin muscle. Skin and muscle. It is made up of thin skin and muscle. One kind of pouch is there. Inside the pouch, one pair of testes is present. Understood or not? In which portion? I told you that outside the abdominal cavity. Understood or not? Always remember the location. Okay. Abdomen means nothing. Stomach. Stomach portion means that is the abdomen. Okay. Tummy portion. So what happened here? Testis is present there. Testis are present there. Oval shaped testis. But length, their size is 2 to something 5 centimeter in length. You take it. Understood or not? The testis is present there. Understood or not? So testis duty is that what? To produce male gametes and male sex hormones also. Okay. So this is the scrotal sac. So these two, left side and this is the right side. Left side testis and right side testis present inside the scrotal sac. This is known as the scrotum. S-C-R-O-T-U-M. This is what? Scrotum. Here you can say also scrotal sac. This left portion and right portion scrotal sac is differentiated with one barrier, with one differentiating barrier, that is known as your what? Scrotal, S-C-R-O-T-A-L, scrotal septum. Understood or not? Septum, spelling S-E-P-T-U-M, scrotal septum. This is the main function. Understood or not? Sorry, not main function. This is the name of this differentiating this wall. This main wall which absolutely makes its differentiation, left side and right side. Understood or not? That is known as the scrotal septum. This pouch name is scrotum. Understood or not? And here what happened here? This testis is there fixed here. Okay, this is not present in without having any kind of connection. Understood or not? Whenever at the embryonic stage, in case of your male child, testis is there not found here inside the scrotum. Okay, then immediate after that embryonic stage, in the embryonic stage, what happened? The testis, it comes below the scrotum. Okay, first of all, scrotum is there present in that embryo. Then after the stage, what happens? This testis comes here inside this scrotum and is fixed. It is absolutely fixed here inside this testis, inside this testicle. Okay, testicle is what? This is scrotum, and inside this portion that is known as the testicle. And this testis is present inside here with connection with one fibrous band with this portion. It absolutely gives these two testes to fix in this location, and that fibrous band, that fibrous thread type of structure, fibrous band, which absolutely gives the connection, the testis with the scrotum, that is known as the gubernaculum. Gubernaculum. That name is gubernaculum. Understood or not? This name is scrotum. S-C-R-O-T-U-M. I wrote here. Okay, gubernaculum. And this testis also connected with the upper epidermal. Your what? Which region you say me? Abdominal cavity. Yeah, this is the abdominal cavity. This portion is the actual abdominal cavity. This is the outer abdominal cavity, and these two testicles are connected here lower side with the gubernaculum type of structure with this scrotum, and in the upper case this is absolutely connected with thick band type of structure which is known as the spermatic cord. Spermatic cord, C-O-R-D. Spelling oriented, you have to be cautious. Okay, understood or not? Understood or not? So this is the spermatic cord, this is also spermatic cord. Upper portion, this testis absolutely connected, joined with the spermatic cord. Spermatic cord is nothing else but also thick band type of structure which are being your artery, veins, capillaries. Okay. So many arteries, veins and capillaries. It supplies different kinds of materials to testis also. Understood or not? Then after that, in this scrotum, the cavity is present. The cavity is present. It means just before the testis, this is the cavity now. This cavity is present your what? This cavity's name is your what? Do you know? Let me do this. This cavity is known as vaginalis coelom. Vaginalis coelom. This cavity's name is vaginalis coelom. Understood or not? And this vaginalis coelom consists of one kind of tissue. That tissue's name is hydrocele. That tissue's name is hydrocele. It contains one kind of tissue. This is one tissue. This tissue is absolutely present inside this scrotum. Okay. It means this is the testis. Around the testis is absolutely embedded with one tissue. That tissue's name is hydrocele. This is gubernaculum. This is spermatic cord. Another thing, let me to say you that this scrotum is connected with your abdomen, and this portion, it means it is connected with the abdomen, not spermatic cord, connected with the abdomen, and that is known as the inguinal canal. Inguinal canal. That is known as the inguinal canal. Inguinal canal is the portion where your this scrotum connected with the abdomen. Spermatic cord is present inside the scrotum. It means spermatic cord absolutely contains arteries, veins, capillaries. It is connected with the testis in the upper portion. It means upper side, and lower side it is connected with the gubernaculum. So that it these two structures give the testis in fixed in it means what in this place. Understood or not? So this much is the point. Then whatever they left. Okay, inguinal canal finished, vaginal coelom is present. Another thing, this testis and this testis covered with one fibrous layer. Understood or not? Another layer is present. Another layer is present. Let me to draw that layer. This is the layer, suppose. Okay, this is another type of layer, suppose. It means outside the testis one layer is present. That layer's name is tunica albugina. Tunica albugina. That is the layer. Outside the testis, this type of layer is present. Understood or not? And outside this layer also another kind of layer is present. That layer's name is what you know? That layer's name is another layer is present. That layer's name is tunica vaginalis. Understood or not? All such kinds of it means structures are there. Some such kinds of parts are there. Another the important main question is that some types of muscles present, which muscles name is dartos. Dartos is one kind of muscle, but muscle present inside this whole area. It means inside the scrotal sac, inside this vaginal coelom. Understood or not? Yeah, in hydrocele tissue, whatever there is structure is present. Sorry, what muscle is present? That muscle's name is dartos muscle. It absolutely helps to maintain the temperature. Okay, because for spermatogenesis means the production of your sperm is required one certain temperature, and the temperature must be 2 degrees Celsius below. 2 degrees Celsius below than body temperature. Yes or no? That's why it is found just outside the abdomen cavity. 2 degrees Celsius required there. 2 degrees Celsius temperature must be below there, but temperature must be required here for the production of your sperm. Okay. Another kind of structure is that epididymis. Epididymis is present here. Okay, suppose this is the testis, okay, and this is the anterior view. This is the anterior. Anterior means what? Anterior मतलब सामने वाला. This is the posterior. This is known as the posterior. So in the posterior side, this type of structure is present. That structure is known as the epididymis. Understood or not? From here, vas difference is there arised. Understood or not? This is known as the epididymis. Epididymis. Understood or not? Epididymis is connected at the backside, posterior, at the backside of the testis. So this much is the point. Okay. So in the next video we will discuss about each and every parts. Okay, about the testis. We will draw separately these testes. Understood or not? And we will discuss everything. Then after that, what happened? These testes absolutely connected to the vas deferens. If whenever sperm is produced there, and sperm is absolutely sent through that vas deferens here. Okay, there will be urinary bladder, ureters are there. Just over the ureters, a hoop looping type of structure is there made. Okay, there are seminal vesicles present. Then your what? Prostate gland is present, corpus gland is present. Okay, then urinogenital tract is present. So after crossing all these kinds of features, all such kinds of terms, then your sperm absolutely released through that tube that is known as the penis. Okay, yeah, external urinary what is that? Genital tract, whatever. So this is the point. Okay, thank you.